Now, it's time to envision your future product. We'll use ChatGPT to create a prototype image. We will use a straightforward prompt. Create a prototype image of the product based on the business plan. This model can generate both text and images, so it will put that together for you while you watch. If your model doesn't generate images, you can ask it to create a prompt for you, which you can then use in another image generation application. Simply ask, "Can you draft a prompt I can use to generate a prototype image?" You can then copy and paste this into another app. From here, if you want to keep modifying the image, you can continue asking for more. For instance, you might say, "I'd like to see this look more like a blueprint." The AI will then go to work again. Keep iterating and modifying until you get something you like. Remember, AI image generators may not do a great job with words, which is why you might see some garbled text. However, you can refine the text that appears with a separate image editing program.